63 years ago, our people decided that we should set out on our own to manage our affairs as an independent country. When I reflect on the journey, when I look at all the strides we have made, particularly the economic, social, infrastructural, and cultural development during the last 9 years, I've never been prouder to be Jamaican. For this year's independence celebrations, we have chosen to rally the country around the theme, be proud, be bold, in the black, green, and gold. It's a celebration of every Jamaican, from every walk of life, who has contributed to fashioning our unique national identity. Our national colors represent the strength and creativity of the Jamaican people, our country's natural wealth and sunlight, as well as hope and agricultural resources. For festival this year, let us come together as proud Jamaicans. Let us fly the flag high. Let us decorate buildings and wear the national colors from now until Independence Day on August 6th. There would be no independence without emancipation. And so we will pay due respect to the ancestors at the National Emancipation Jubilee at Seville Heritage Park in St. Anne on July 31. The Independence Village is back at the National Indoor Sports Center from August 2 to Independence Day, August 6. Join us each day for concerts, art and craft, activities for children, and the big one, the Grand Gala in the National Stadium, which will be a spectacular celebration of Jamaica. There will also be street dances in parish capitals on Independence Day and in every constituency. There is much that we have achieved as a nation. After 63 years, there is much to celebrate. Be proud, be bold in the black, green, and gold.